Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So it's been so long since I posted something about TCS. So I'll be sharing my interview process and everything I went through to get into TCS. So watch till the end and do ask doubts if you have any. I saw the poster of TCS hiring for BSc graduates. So I applied to TCS through the Next Step portal, and the TCS has sent me mail regarding the test center and the test location from where which I have to give the test. I applied to TCS through a non-campus recruitment. So I was not alone. Me and few of my friends also applied and got the test date on the same day. So every process we did was together. So the first step was giving an assessment. For companies like Accenture and Deloitte, we could have given it from our system, but TCS was very strict in that case, and we went to the centers to write those exams. That exam was really tough with respect to the other companies' assessments. I was not sure if I'll get it or not. Somehow I wrote the exam and I was sure that I am not going to get it. When the result came, I was shocked. I was shocked to hear that I also got, selection to TCS, and I received a mail about the interview process. So after that, my interview was held from Kochi, since I am from Kerala. So we had a interview with three people. They were seated together, and one was HR, the other one was soft technical, and the other one I don't remember actually. I gave my interview on 28th of February 2024. So now the interview questions or people may have changed. So I don't know the real conflicts which you will get in the interview. So the first one was of technical. He asked me about my introduction and then the technical skills I know. He asked me to write a code for reversing an array or something like that. It was so simple, so I just wrote it and gave to him. See, he became happy. And the next person asked me thoroughly about my project which I did when I was graduating. So my college project was something related to an application. So I had to explain many things about that application and I had to draw that flow chart and all. I explained it very much and they understood it, I guess. And after that, the HR round, he asked me why you want to come in TCS, and some questions like that, some general questions. He said like, don't tell what you studied by looking at internet. Tell what you feel. So I said like, it's proud to be a TCSer, and when we tell someone that we are from TCS, they know TCS actually. TCS is a famous MNC, so I will be proud. I said like that, and I think they liked it, so they chose me, I guess. I don't know why they chose me, but they selected me, and I got into TCS. So in the technical round of the interview, they'll also ask questions from Java, Python, and SQL and all. So in the Java, they mainly asked about the Java features, polymorphism, encapsulation, inheritance, something kinds of that. Maybe OSI layer, something. I think I got some questions related to OSI layers, 7 layers. Then it's so long since I gave the interview, so I can't recollect every questions. Yeah, these were the mostly asked questions. In the beginning, when we got the offer letter, we all friends got the same offer letter, which was of the Smart. Later on, after a few days, I got revised offer letter, and few of my other friends also got revised offer letter. That's when I got to know that we are Ignite and they were Smart. But the thing which is confusing is that I really don't know how they are selecting candidates to Ignite and Smart. In our case, we were 10 friends. So in those 10 friends, 5 people got into Ignite and the other 5 people were in Smart. Some got Pune, some got Mumbai, and the salary was also lesser package. So when we got into Ignite, we got a revised offer letter, and that's why we decided to continue to TCS. If I got the Smart package, I wouldn't have joined TCS. But since it was Ignite, I decided to join TCS, and I joined on August 12, 2024, as a graduate trainee. My training was from Chennai for 4 months, and the time we spent there was really good because I made many friends all over India. And if you are also doing that training, I am telling you guys that you should really enjoy that. You should go trips and you should make memories, because this period we don't have much stress. But when we get into a real corporate life, we'll get much stress. So this is the time to enjoy. That's all I want to say, you guys. So after this 4 months training, I got my location as Bangalore. I came to Bangalore, and I was in the bench for a few days or few months. I was pre-mapped in a project, so I was not there in the bench for a longer time. Now I'm working from my client company, and I got a IBM project. So I'm working from IBM company, and IBM company is good actually. I like the atmosphere of IBM company. So this was my journey of TCS. If you guys have any doubt, you can comment down and I'll be replying. So if you are about to give any exams or about to join TCS, all the best. Take every decision wisely. Don't regret it later. Okay? Bye.